What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to restore your laptop or desktop to one of the restore points, either the one you created or it was created by Windows 10. And I also made a video earlier how to create a restore point manually, and I'll put a link in the description below. So first thing what we need to do, we need to press on start and type recovery, and then press on recovery in control panel. And right here, click on Open System Restore. And once this window is going to appear, just press Next. And right here, you will have recovery points. This is the one I created earlier in my previous video. But what you can do, you can put a check mark here, show more restore points, and it's going to search and it's going to find more restore points that was done previously. You can choose which one you would like to restore to. I'm just going to restore the one I did recently, and then click Next. And then this is just stating that your computer will be restored to the state it was before the event and the description filled below. That's the description, that's the one I created earlier. And then click on Finish. This is basically stating once the restore is going to start it, you cannot interrupt the process, otherwise it can corrupt your system. And then press Yes. And now we just have to wait until it's going to finish restoring to restore point. Once it's complete restoring to restore point, it will reboot your device, and now you can just log in. And once you log in, you'll get this message stating system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored to the date and time when the restore was created. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.